I want to know that these two friends are know each other or not. This Natik, I want to ask a question from his friends. He asked that he knows these two friends are not knows each other or not. I want to ask a question from Natik that about this friend, about him. That first question is, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
At 7 a.m.
Okay. Do you prefer to shower in the morning or evening?
Morning.
Okay, morning. Next question is, do you have any daily rituals or habits?
Yes, that's his playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Yes, fear.
My biggest fear is of darkness.
Darkness. How do you cope with the difficult emotion or situation?
By making patience.
I'm patient. What brings you the most joy or happiness?
Uh, the most joy and happiness which I get from while I sit with my family, on that time I feel most joyful.
Okay, happiness. Another question is, are you more introverted or extroverted?
I am more extrovert.
Extroverted. Okay. Another question is, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
So that's the answer of this question. Very funny that I want to go to North Pole or South Pole.
North Pole or South Pole. Another question is, what is your dream, job or career path?
I want to be a successful businessman.
Businessman. I want to ask a choice about you. That you like a cat or a dog?
Dogs.
Dogs. Sweet or savory?
Savory.
Savory. Books or movies?
Movies.
Movies. Another question is, how did you cope with the difficult situation in the past?
Uh, so I cope with the difficult situation in past by having patience.
Having the patience. What has been your biggest disappointment and or failure?
I never got any failure.
What do you turn to for a supporter during a tough time?
My parents are biggest supporter during my tough time.
The parents. How have you grown or changed as a result of difficult experiences?
Maturity. I got matured by facing different challenges in my life.
Okay. What is your favorite book or author?
Tales of Shakespeare by William Shakespeare is my favorite.
William Shakespeare. Who's your favorite musician or a band?
Atif Islam and the band is Caucus.
Okay. What is your favorite food or a cuisine?
Rice with curry.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what it would be?
Discipline is the key to success. Make discipline in life. So if you want to get successful, then you have to keep discipline.
Just what is your philosophy on a life or a personal motto?
Life is very short to pursue our dreams. So that's my philosophy on life.
See, do you hope to leave behind?
My father was government officer and my grandfather was also a government officer, so I don't want to be an officer. As I said, I want to be businessman, so that's the legacy I want to left here.
How do you stay focused and disciplined in pursuit of your ambition?
By making discipline and by making rules, following rules. That's how I make my life discipline. I,
What obstacle do you anticipate in reaching your goals?
yes, distraction in home and the different rumors and that's are some obstacles which I faced while I was suffering.
What step are you taking to achieve your dream?
What step?
Are you taking?
So as I said you that I want to leave my house and I want to go to hostel and I want to left my house because as I said there is a distraction in house. So that's the step I want to take to achieve
The
it.
Naitik. I asked a question from your friend about him, and at the time I want to ask a question from you that what you know about your friend, the decisions, what is character or the personality. Ask a question from you. First question is, what time does he usually wakes up in the morning?
He usually wake up early in the morning at 7 o'clock.
Correct answer. Uh, does he prefer to shower in the morning or evening?
We prefer shower in the morning.
Shower in the morning. Correct answer. Uh, does he have any daily ritual or habits?
Yes, he also tell me that he has one habit that he play cricket from a childhood, so his habit is playing cricket.
Playing cricket is a habit. Correct answer. Another question is what is his biggest fear?
His biggest fear is darkness.
Darkness is the biggest fear, he also said. Another question is how does he cope with a difficult emotion or a situation?
But patience, because as we take example of a Corona 19 phase, this is very hard and situation, difficult situation for all of us. So he cope with difficult situation from patience.
He also says the passions. Another question is what bring him the most joy or happiness?
While he was sitting with his family members and spending time.
He also said the same. Another question is are uh, he more introverted or extroverted?
Extroverted.
Extroverted. Another question is if he could travel anywhere in the world, where would he go?
He tell me that he wants to travel the South Pole and North Pole.
Yeah, absolutely, it's not Pole or South Pole. Another question is what is his dream job or career path?
His career path is that he want to become a successful businessman.
Successful businessman. Another question is uh, the question from me is about his choice that either he likes a cat or a dog.
He likes dogs.
Dogs. Absolutely. Sweet or savory?
Seven.
Movies or books?
Movies.
Movies. Another question I asked from him that how did he cope with a difficult situation in the past?
By patience.
How he used to turn during a tough time.
Whenever he was spending his tough time, his family members support him.
His family members support him. Another question is how have he grown or changed the result of the difficult experiences?
As the difficult experience give lessons, and he grown and mature and get mature.
Get a mature. What is favorite musician or a band?
His favorite musician is Atif Aslam and band Coke Studio.
Coke Stadium. Absolutely. Another question is what is favorite food or a person?
His favorite food is biryani.
Another question is if he could give his younger self one piece of the advice, what it would be?
He also tell me that whenever he was giving advice to a youngest, he said that discipline is the key to success. So follow discipline.
It's discipline. Another question is what is his philosophy on a life or personal motto?
His philosophy on a life is that life is too short to pursue your dreams. So always be happy.
Yes. Another question is how he does he stay focused or is disciplined in the pursuit of his ambition?
He focus on study, so he ignored the rumors, destruction in the house, and he also leave house and go for the hostel.
Yes, absolutely.